Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope that you are safe and relaxed while watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and show some love. Today we are going to practice the soft TH and the hard TH sounds. Many people who study English find it difficult to make the soft and hard TH sounds because we don't have them in our own language. My first language is Tagalog, and we don't have those sounds in our words. We have the T and H sound separately, but not the TH. Keep in mind that the soft TH sound is unvoiced, while the hard TH sound is voiced. What do I mean? Unvoiced sounds are made without vibrating your vocal cords. On the other hand, your vocal cords vibrate when you make voiced sounds. With the soft TH sound, you have to slightly stick out your tongue as you place it in between your top and bottom front teeth, just like this. Stick it out slightly and place it between your top and bottom front teeth. When you make that sound, notice that there is no vibration on your vocal cords and you simply blow air. Let's say these words: think, thunder, path, bath, healthy, third. One more time. Think, thunder, path, bath, healthy, third. With the hard TH sound, you have to place your tongue behind your top front teeth. Don't stick it out. When you make that sound, notice that your vocal cords vibrate. Let's practice the hard TH sound. Though, with, them, breathe, either, together. Okay, make sure that your vocal cords vibrate. Let's read these words one more time. Though, with, them, breathe, either, together. Let's read these two sentences. My mother thanked her friends for coming to my 24th birthday that took place at the hotel. One more time. My mother thanked her friends for coming to my 24th birthday that took place at the hotel. Let's gather and go through the process all together. One more time. Let's gather and go through the process all together. Just a reminder, in the English language, not all words that are spelled or written with the letters T and H together make the soft and hard TH sounds. Here are examples of words with the letters T and H pronounced as T or the T sound. Thailand, discotheque, Esther, thyme, Thomas. That's all for today. Please keep on practicing until you get to make the soft and hard TH sounds perfectly. Thank you and have a wonderful day.